Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing amazing. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can use this Shea Nourish body lotion. This lotion is a body lotion that has been formulated for people with a sensitive skin and also people with a bleached, damaged skin barrier. Okay, but anybody and everybody can use this body lotion, of course. So I am going to show you how you can use it for your sensitive skin and also how you can use it to fix your bleached, damaged skin barrier. Okay, but even if you don't have a sensitive skin or you don't have a damaged skin barrier and you want to know more about this body lotion, keep watching and let's get deeper into the video. If you have a sensitive skin and you're looking for a body lotion that will not irritate your skin, you can use this body lotion. Okay, it is very gentle. The fragrance is also not too overpowering. Okay, so if you have a sensitive skin, you can manage to use this body lotion. But the problem now is if your sensitive skin is extremely dry, it's also extremely dry, this body lotion will not be able to keep moisture locked into your skin. So you need to add a body oil to this body lotion so that moisture will not quickly escape your skin the moment you step out of your house. But if you have a sensitive skin, you need to be very careful of the body oil that you're going to add to this body lotion to avoid any kind of skin irritation. That is why I would recommend this Shea Nourish body oil, this one right here, also from Palmer's. Okay, add this body oil to this body lotion for your dry, sensitive skin, because this body oil also has the same formulation as this body lotion. Okay, and I don't see how it is going to irritate your sensitive skin. The key ingredients in these two products, this body lotion and this body oil, is raw Shea Nourish, which is what? Shea butter. And we all know shea butter has soothing, calm, soft, properties that is going to soothe your sensitive skin and not disrupt your sensitive skin and even eczema prone skin. Yes, this combo can actually also help with eczema prone skin, okay, and prevent eczema flare-ups. So even if you have an eczema skin that is also sensitive, you can make use of this combo right here, this body lotion and this raw Shea Nourish body oil. Okay, so you can see that this body lotion is a really good body lotion for sensitive skin and also eczema prone skin. Or if you want, you can also add this Aveeno body mist oil to this body lotion, because this body oil is also a very nice body oil that is good or works better or works well, okay, on sensitive skin and eczema prone skin. So the next set of people that is going to benefit from using this body lotion are people with a bleached, damaged skin barrier caused by using bleaching products or harsh products. Okay, so if you want to make your skin look very healthy and rejuvenated again, this is the body lotion that can help with that. This body lotion can actually help wipe out any side effects caused by any bleaching products or any harsh products. Okay, but have you heard of this skin therapy oil, this one right here, also from Palmer's? It is a very amazing body oil with a lot of healing properties, formulated with a lot of soothing and healing properties. Okay, so this body oil right here with those healing properties, along with shea butter, which is also a healing property, is going to reverse any damaged skin barrier, also wipe out any stretch marks from your skin, even out your skin nicely, give you a uniform complexion, and replace it with a very healthy, shiny looking skin barrier. Okay, and the exciting thing about this body lotion is that you can actually use it on your face. Yes, I tried this body lotion on my face even as an oily skin type, and I loved it as a facial moisturizer. Okay, so if you have a dry, damaged skin barrier on your face as well and you don't know which body lotion to use to repair your face, you can actually use this body lotion on your face, okay, along with your other soothing ingredients. Your hyaluronic acid serum or your ceramide serum is going to help to repair your bleached, damaged skin barrier on your face as well. Okay, so try this lotion on your face as well and come back and let me know what you think, because I did on my face and I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Okay, so these are the two ways that you can make use of this body lotion, okay, for sensitive eczema prone skin and also also for a dry, damaged skin barrier. Even if you don't have a sensitive skin, you don't have eczema prone skin, if you don't have a dry, damaged skin barrier, you can still make use of this body lotion with any of the 2 body oils that I mentioned in this video. You can still make use of this combo, especially if your skin is always looking dry, it is always looking ashy and dull always. This body lotion with the skin therapy oil or with the raw Shea Nourish oil is going to benefit you as well, especially as a dry skin type, okay? Dry, sensitive skin barrier, and you're looking for a body lotion that will not irritate your skin. This is the body lotion for you. Add it to this raw Shea Nourish body oil or this Aveeno body mist oil for good results. This combo is not going to irritate your skin and leave you with any redness, any rashes or anything of that sort. If you're also looking to fix your bleached, damaged skin barrier, you can still get this body lotion, add it to the skin therapy body oil right here for amazing and beautiful results, okay? Trust me, this combo is going to get your skin looking very healthy, looking very, very attractive again, okay? Thank you so much for passing by. If you made it this far, you are the real G. Do not forget to like this video. Also leave me your comments and your questions down in the comment section. And if you want to further go ahead and support this channel, please, there's a link in my bio, okay? And I'll also leave that link in my description box, of course. It is called buymeacoffee.com. Just click on that link and support this channel with all of your heart, okay? And I'll see you next time with another exciting video. Thank you and bye.